Hey, what's up, guys? Billy Holder here, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, what is this YouTube channel about anyway? Well, if you are an affiliate marketer or looking to get into, maybe increasing a little income stream or building an income stream, building a business on the internet, I think this channel is going to be of huge value to you. I've been doing this for many years here with this, and I wanted to jump on here and just share experiences. I want to share case studies. I want to share things that's working for me in my business, look, we're going to get down to the core of what's keeping people from getting out there and making it happen because this is a fun business to be a part of. But the problem is a lot of people don't have clarity. They don't have maybe the confidence to get out there and even create a video. That's the reason a lot of people are turning to AI in this business because they can hide behind the computer, and that's cool, right? If that's what you want to do, is certainly an option. But way I am, it's easier for me to just hit the record button and start talking rather than sit here and try to create this avatar and make this AI thing or AI clone. So what you see with me is what you get. It's not a clone or anything like that. But here's what I'm also doing with this is the other half of it is I've set up a free community for people that are looking to learn affiliate marketing, traffic strategies, some of the things that we, may not necessarily want to share on YouTube for the whole world to know because it may dilute down what we're doing. But inside of the community, you're going to get access to that. We're going to also give you access to tools and things that I've built for my own business that I give you access to, some prompts, some things that's really awesome that not very many people at all are doing. You'll get that inside of the community, but more importantly, just helping you on a whole nother level, right? And I think community is a really important thing when it comes to this business because it's be a lonely road trying to build a business by yourself. And so with this community, you have the ability to ask for help, right? Get direction, gain a little clarity. A matter of fact, I've got a video I just uploaded in the community that is probably one of the most important things when it comes to thinking about an online business. What are the four major pillars, right? That you need to focus on. Where do you need to spend your time every day? Because I can tell you right now, you can spend weeks, months chasing your tail or spinning your wheels and not going anywhere. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. And it's not because you're not smart. It's not because people are not capable, right? It's it comes down to people are just wore out from trying. Maybe you've been struggling. Maybe you've been trying for a while at this yourself, and you just, at some point you can only go so far. It's like being stuck in the desert, right? You can fight, you can be strong, but you can only go on for so long before you just end up giving up. And I don't want that to happen to you. So my main deal here is to provide you with value and share experiences with you that can help you in your business and let you know that hey, anybody can do this. I'm not I'm certainly not anyone special, and for the longest time I hid behind a computer doing this because one, I'm an introvert, right? And I didn't want to put myself out there on the video, but I found that by doing so and just taking massive action, even if it's imperfect, because it will be imperfect. Otherwise, you won't ever get off the ground. To have the, think you got to have the perfect strategy, all of that, not necessary. But listen, I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. But what I want to do is invite you to join the free community, our Freedom Builder community, and cost you anything to be a part of it, but I think it'll be a great benefit to you to be a part of it. If you like, we'll be doing challenges and stuff inside of this community that would just be between the community members. But also go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I've got a lot planned for it, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. But outside of that, glad you're here, and I look forward to putting out some videos and helping you and giving you some clarity and that you might be looking for strategies that will help you. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to jump off from here, but I'll see you in another video.